Good morning, guys. I'm listening to some Bounce FM. I got my backpack on, huge backpack on. I'm gonna go pick up the second solar panel, maybe the third, let's see. I brought some stuff with me, like a phone charger. I always bring that when I go over there. I got my fast charger and whatever I need to replace a punctured tire in case that happens. But yeah, check out the weather. I'm gonna have such a beautiful trip today. Oh my god. I'm really loving this ride. It's kind of a long ride for me. I'm used to going 20-30 kilometers tops. But on this wheel, I can push myself finally. I can go longer than 50 kilometers. It feels great. And I would say I already have the muscle strength or whatever I can handle going for a bit of a longer ride. I also go quite fast, you know. I only really go slow when I record. But it's so beautiful out here. It's also a beautiful trip. I'm going through the forest for like half of the distance, basically. So I only have to deal with the Copenhagen hellscape for, well, a little less than half of the distance. What is this guy spreading? Is that salt? Maybe it is. I wouldn't understand why. Goddag.
Goddag.
Det er noget af et tidspunkt. Er det salt, du spreder?
Nej, det er det ikke.
Nå, hvad er det så?
Det kan.
Okay, so apparently it's calcium chloride, and he's spreading it so it bonds to the dust here, so it's not gonna kick up a bunch of dust. Smart trick. I did not know about that. They could definitely use that trick in Portugal. Oh my god, it's so dusty up in there. Everywhere is dusty, I feel like. Wow. Look at what you're missing out on, guys. I'm telling you, Denmark is the place to be during spring, particularly the summer, but the spring is so nice too. It's just, when you live outdoors, you also have to deal with the evenings and the nights, and that's kind of where it stops being fun, you know? But I'm gonna listen to some Bounce FM, and yeah, just enjoy my ride, guys. Talk to you. Look at this, guys. I crossed like 2 or 3 of this on my road here, and it says look for train. Like, there's not gonna be any dinging, any sounds or anything. You just gotta look, and if you don't, you may get hit by a train. Please be open. I haven't seen this closed. Ah, there we go. Nice. I'm just listening to Bounce FM, enjoying this beautiful weather and this beautiful forest. Like, I am gonna be living out here, guys. Trust me, I've seen so many good spots already. I will be living out here. Look at this shit. Just look at this. There's 12 background image right here. Check it out, guys. I found this great solution using my, oh, I forget what it's called. This special carabiner right here. I've attached it to the strap on my backpack. And so now I can have my helmet hanging off here safely while I'm drinking something, because you know me, guys, I just stopped by this Rema right here, Rema 1000, to get one of these kakio. Chocolate milk, Danish chocolate milk. Ah, it's amazing. So I'm gonna go a bit slower and drink that in this weather. And I'm gonna be out of this little town in a second, so it's gonna be nice nature again. I like this town. It's become my, it's kind of like in the middle. It's like halfway, so every time I want something to drink or eat, I guess, I could just go here. Oh, look at that. I may have to check that out someday. Beautiful church. Well, time for some chocolate milk, guys. Alright guys, here we go. I'm in Husum. I picked up some packages and the solar panel. I still need to pick up another solar panel. It hasn't arrived yet, but this is so strange to me. We got parking lots. We got people living in these buildings, man. This used to be like an abandoned building. Me and my cousin, we'd go out and hang out in there all the time. Actually, we would more so hang out down here. Well, it's blocked off now, but you used to be able to walk through here, or we'd hang out down here smoking cigarettes. No, it's like a place for families. I mean, it's good. It's much better than just some abandoned building drawing in young people to smoke and chill and leave a bunch of garbage. But it is strange, the degree to which the world keeps turning. Ain't nothing the same no mo. Oh well. I'm gonna go up and charge my wheel, and I think when it's done charging, I'm just gonna head back home. Got myself some cigarettes. I'm just standing here outside of Furtex, just taking it in, my old neighborhood. It's nice weather. Sunday is gonna be immaculate weather. We're talking 21, 22 degrees, no clouds. It's gonna be like a summer day in the middle of spring. Whereas right now it's more like between 10 and 14 degrees. So yeah, Sunday I should definitely do something. I'm considering taking all my camping equipment, packing it all up, minus the solar panels, and heading over to a spot I used to camp at in Copenhagen, for old time's sake. Packages. I'm charging up the wheel, it's just balancing the cells. Some more packages here, I'll show you when I get home. Well, you know what? Fuck it, I'll just show you now. So I got this titanium rice scraper, or whatever you call a rice spoon. And then I got this titanium soup, or just general food spoon, because I want to replace the plastic I got. I got this tool as well for cutting through 0.1 millimeter copper. It can cut through thicker metals, but that's what I'm going to use it for. It's just, I got a friend who needs for me to rebuild, actually I got a couple of friends who need for me to rebuild their e-bike batteries. And yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, right now I'm just charging up my wheel, my phone, and then I'm gonna move on. Ah, it's so nice hanging out at my family's. I'm gonna go do a little bit of shopping in this little up here, and then I'm gonna get me some food, and then I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Gotta get back home eventually. I don't wanna really ride at night, it's still a little too cold. So yeah, I'm going home in, I don't know, an hour or so. Maybe I'll still have a little bit of sunshine on the way home. If you ever start traveling around Europe, like I have, living in different countries, you're gonna start enjoying Lidl, the supermarket. I went there specifically to get this type of toothbrush. I've been using this thing for like more than 10 years, maybe 15 years. This exact model, medium, the Lidl brand. I always go for the pink one. Yeah, I know. But I also got some of this. I was looking at different snacks and stuff, because if I want to buy something like for when I get home, because I'm gonna get home when everything is closed, I needed to get it here. So I got one of these caramel and sea salt bars. My mom loves them. She always bought those when I was living with her in Portugal. And of course I got some soda. You know me, you guys fucking love soda. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a dudum now and then head home. There's something wonderful about this time of year and time of day. Like the way the sun hits the Copenhagen streets, it's just amazing, man. I'm ordering a durum. Kebab right now. Just waiting.
Yeah.
Yo guys, I got the loot. Hey! Time to go eat some food and then go for a nice ride. Hopefully the weather's still gonna be half this good. Let's see. It's just been nice riding the wheel more. Ever since I got the Grisla pads and pedals, I just want to go 100 kilometers every day, honestly. I'm just looking for excuses to go out.
Han er bare ikke sjov, det er problem. Like, han er mere sådan en der til bits, og sådan, han er bare ikke sjov. Men han snakker bare.
Here you go, guys. I'm on my way home. Listening to some nice music I was exposed to yesterday. You know what? I'll use it as background music for the clips of me going home. What is it? The Hermanos Jimenez? I can't exactly remember. I'll put it up on the screen. There's like 30 deer out here. I can see their eyes lighting up. I don't know if you guys can see them. That's crazy. I passed so many deer on the way here. They're just staring at me. Keep having to use my horn to honk at them because they get mesmerized by the light. Look at him go. Oh, it's a shame I don't have a better camera, guys. I'm sorry.